In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a comparison table in Notion. We'll start right inside a Notion workspace, using a Projects and Tasks page as our example, but you can follow along on any page you like. First, open the page where you want your comparison table to live. This could be a project dashboard, a notes page, or even a dedicated comparison page for tools, vendors, or features. At the top of your page, you'll see the option to add a cover. Click on Add Cover. This isn't required for the table itself, but it helps you visually distinguish this page, which is great if you're using it regularly as a comparison hub. In the cover selection area, use the search bar and type in Highlight. Notion will show you a set of colorful, high-contrast images. These work well for comparison pages because they make the content feel more structured and important at a glance. Once you see a highlight style cover you like, click on it to apply it to your page. If you don't love the first one you pick, you can repeat this step. Search Highlight again and choose a different option until the page looks the way you want. Now that your page is set up visually, it's time to add the actual comparison table. Click into the body of the page where you want the table to appear. Type /table to bring up Notion's table options. Here you'll see two main choices. The first is a simple table, which is perfect for quick, text-based comparisons, like listing features across different products. The second is a table view, which is a database and gives you more power, like sorting, filtering, and adding properties such as tags, statuses, or checkboxes. Click on the table option that best fits your needs. Once the table appears, you can start filling in your comparison data. Use the top row for categories like price, features, or pros and cons, and the first column for the items you're comparing. To move faster, you can use the keyboard. Press Command or Control plus Enter to quickly add new rows or columns, depending on where your cursor is. You can also click and drag the borders between columns to adjust the width so longer text fits comfortably and everything stays readable. If you want to go further, you can use Notion's AI features to generate a starting comparison table from a short prompt, then refine it manually. Once you're done, you'll have a clear, structured comparison table that's easy to update and reuse whenever your needs change.